Look around you. The phone in your pocket, the movies in your library, the tools you use to work. Most of it isn't owned anymore. It's rented. You pay every month, and the moment you stop, it disappears. This isn't just about Netflix. It's happening to cars, software, music, storage, even your front doorbell. Quietly, ownership is being replaced by something else. Permanent payments. So how do we become subscribers to our own lives? Let's examine the structure behind the subscription trap. In the old days, the deal was simple. A company made a product, you paid once, and you took it home. That was the era of the one-time transaction. The product was yours. You could lend it, resell it, repair it, or break it. But for companies, that model had one giant flaw: uncertainty. They never knew if you'd come back next month. Modern markets don't reward good sales days. They reward predictable cash flow. That's why so many businesses pivoted from selling products to selling services, because investors love recurring revenue, monthly and annual subscriptions that can be forecasted like rent. When you subscribe, you're not just paying for access, you're feeding a system that values stability over ownership. And this model works because it slips past your financial defense mechanisms. A $2,000 computer feels expensive, but a $40 monthly fee feels harmless. Not because it's small, but because it's invisible. It turns a big decision into 1,000 tiny ones. And tiny decisions are easier to accept, especially when you're tired. The process always starts smooth. First month free. Cancel anytime. One click to start. Companies remove every barrier to get you through the door. But when you try to leave, suddenly it's menus, warnings, and guilt. Because the new economy is designed to be frictionless to enter and painful to exit. And over time, those small fees become something else. Fragments of your future freedom drained quietly in the background. If you think this is only digital, look again. Some car companies experimented with charging monthly fees to activate features that are already installed, like heated seats. You own the hardware, but not the right to use it. And as more devices depend on servers, from smart doorbells to light bulbs, a missed payment or a shutdown can turn your product into plastic. You've probably heard the line, "You will own nothing and you will be happy." That phrase came from a 2016 scenario essay meant to spark debate, not a law, not a policy, but the first half still captures what's happening. Access is replacing ownership. So here's the rule that breaks the spell. If you stop paying and it disappears, you never owned it. Ownership gives you control. Subscriptions sell you permission. Understand the structure. Change the game.